Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to audit your website. There are many guys frustrated about your website is not ranked on your Google. There are many guys are frustrated about the your website why not ranked on your Google. There is some error. Okay. So here, so let's check my website. So I'm not writing the not posting the articles not regular base or very occasionally I am posting the articles because I have lot of busy with my work. When I'm free I'm posting the articles. So let's copy this. Let's go to the Semrush and we have experiment our website. So what is the errors and everything? Okay, you can see the errors and what's the things going happen. Okay, so you can log into my account along with your email address and password. You have to create the account and you can log in it. Okay, simple stuff. You have to put your email address and you have to type on your password. What is the password? You have to going to register. After registered, you have to log in using by your email and password, and you have to log into your account. After login, you can get this nice dashboard. Okay, so this way you can see all the things. Okay, here you can see the keyword magic tool to find the keywords, organic traffic inside, everything is there. Okay, so everything is there. So there's a here link buildings, a backlinks, audit, all the things should be there. This tool is provided everything. So if you go to the upgraded one, you can check it. So what are the plans should there? There's a very best plan they are giving, so you can use it for 1 month. It's good for rank your website. So here now today I'm going to get audit to your website. There is a under the underline of one page tech SEO. You can side on. You can click on this. Here you have to put your website. It takes some time to audit your website. Okay, no problem. This they are asking only that one. Now it's here start audit. It takes some time. Here it takes some time. You have to wait until the process completed. Okay, you can get the message to your email as well. Here it is auditing your website. Everything it will be errors, warning, everything check. Okay, so when I am audit my website, I am going to check it on Semrush and Uber suggest as well as a screen from. Okay, this all things are best for you analyze your website in order to rank your Google. After experiment, we can see the what is the error and everything. So it's show the site health and yeah, you can say the errors. There will it consists of 61 errors. What are the errors and warnings? Yeah, you can go everything is search one by one, and you can hear the 41 structure data items. You can go okay, what is the issues? Here return the discodes, the 2 pages, duplicated pages, one like the all things you have to correct it. Okay, so here we can click on this. Every pages you can go and check it. Okay, this is the article. You have failed, one failed. Okay, so you have to check it. Okay, data are invalid errors. Okay, so we have to check it one by one and take the solution for it. 41. So if we are all things to correct one by one, your Google will be you can rank your website easily. First you have to correct those errors, so warnings and everything. You go and check it. What should be there? Everything you go. This time we have correct the audit search side audit. This how we have make the side audit. Uh, okay, so the same thing like a screen front. Okay, so the same thing you have to write things you have to correct in on your this one also Semrush also. Okay, that's the this one. Yeah, errors warning. These all things you have to the warning also. You can check the warnings. What are the issues here? There's issues tab, you can check it. The broken link, there should be the 9 internal links are broken. Okay, why, how to fix it? These all things are they are mentioning here. Why, how to fix it here. Check structure data your website within the validation tools. Please note that different markup tools may be different result. And here, okay, this all things are here. It issues the trigger if the data is item contain the field do not meet Google guidelines. Okay, that this one not meet, not in the Google guidelines. That's why that error is coming from here. So you have to solve that problem. This is your articles. Every articles you can go through it and you can check it and solve it. Okay, so that's the things you have to do. Result here, check the page, everything is there. Okay, so that you have to put it your website and you can check it, and you can go one by one and you can fix it. Thank you for watching.